baby. I'll tell you, freezing rain, end of March. We're not driving anywhere today. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I mean, you'd have better luck getting around out here on skates. I wonder what the roads are like. They're just as bad. Anyways, yeah, look at this. Wow. Yep, take it easy. Frozen solid. And I'm taking baby steps here because, like I said, I don't want to go flying. It can easily happen. Yeah, you'd have better luck getting around out here on skates. It's a good thing we're not driving anywhere today. And she is running full. Hopefully it warms up sometime soon. Yeah, it's a mess out here. Nasty. End of March, March 30th. Wild weather. Yep. Solid ice.